Even after the strict restriction from Education Department and State Government, a teacher named Jayanta Roy of Telemura Sadarmani High School has been giving a private tuition to students in his own house for years. After he was caught red-handed by the reporters, he gave an answer saying, "It is not necessary that education comes along with every school."
Education Department has given a strict restriction against government teacher to teach a private tuition. However, breaking all the rules and disrespecting the orders of state government, a government teacher of Telemura Sadarmani High School named Jayanta Roy is playing a business of money by giving private tuition to students in his own house. Even after receiving a high amount of salary every month, his hunger for money is still on. Likewise, avoiding the orders of the state government, he was giving a private tuition to students in his own house for years. On Wednesday, some of the reporters caught him while he was teaching. Though he didn't want to accept about giving private tuition, but he was caught red-handed by the reporters and having no other option, he has to accept his fault. But he also says that he doesn't teach the students for money, but to educate them properly. He also answered back to the reporters saying, "It is not necessary that educations come along with every school."
গরিব ছাত্র ছাত্রীদের পড়াশোনার মান বিকাশের জন্য তো সরকার ভালো ভালো বিদ্যালয় তৈরি করেছে রাজ্যে, নাকি এগুলিকে আপনারা পাত্তা দিচ্ছেন না? না, আপনি কি আরো সরকারি পরিকাঠামোর থেকে কি আরো ভালো পড়াতে পারেন? আপনি এটা দাবি করছেন?
আপনি কি মনে করছেন যে বিদ্যালয় থাকলেই কি লেখাপড়া হয়ে যায়?
আপনি কি মনে করছেন বিদ্যালয়ে লেখাপড়া হয় না? বিদ্যালয়ে লেখাপড়া হয় না?
আপনার বক্তব্য কি বিদ্যালয়ে পড়াশোনা হয় না?
হয় না,
অবশ্যই হয়।
না, আপনিই তো বললেন এখন। আপনিই তো বললেন এখন।
আমি কি বলছি না? আপনারা মান বললে এই কথা বলছেন না।
আপনিই তো বললেন এখন।
Later, after the incident, the video footage of Jayanta Roy giving a private tuition to students was submitted to the school inspector Bishwajit Debarma of Telemura by the natives. But even with the proof, the inspector decided to talk to the Director of Education Department and look into the matter more closely and carefully find out if the allegations that are put on the teacher are true.
আচ্ছা, আমরা এটা কোঅপারেটিভ স্কুল যদি হয়ে থাকে, আপনি যেটা বলছিলেন, আমি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এডুকেশনের সাথে আলোচনা ক্রমে খুব রিসেন্টলি এটার সত্যতা প্রমাণের কী আমাদের কাছে আছে, আমরা এক প্রকার তদন্ত করব, ঠিক আছে, তারপরে আমরা পদক্ষেপটা নেব। ধন্যবাদ।
However, public are raising a various question on why is the inspector trying to do more investigation even with the proof of video footage of the teacher. What other proof is he looking for? However, times will seize on. What punishment will be given to teacher Jayanta Roy of Telemura Sadarmani High School for his offence? Reported by Hiranmoy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.